Hi, my name is Bernice Kutu Clark. I am the owner and founder of Waso Soap and Kutu Cultural Consulting. Welcome to my hometown, Nunavut. I'm going to give you some tips on how to start a business or to take your idea to the next level. Get to know your product so that you are able to explain to your customer why they should buy from you. Why you should buy from Waso Soap would be that we incorporate the land and the sea of Nunavut, incorporating traditional healing in a new and modern way. Get to know your product and why a customer should buy your product. With Waso Soap, my why is I want to help alleviate dry skin while incorporating the land and sea of Nunavut into our product, making traditional healing in a new and modern way. So here's another tip. For speaking in front of many people, how I calm myself is I call on my family who are on the other side. I don't feel alone anymore. I feel grounded and safe. I'm able to continue to light the qulq and be comfortable in being uncomfortable. Getting to know yourself really does help you feel grounded. Here is another tip that applies to the other two tips. You can use your telephone to record yourself, listen to yourself, and critique yourself. It really comes down to just practice, practice, practice. And now we will put all the tips together so that you can pitch your idea to anyone that asks you about your business. Know your why, know your product, know your customer, be comfortable in being uncomfortable, practice, 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 and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. If you don't try, you will never be able to fulfill your passion. With these tips, you will be able to explain your business to anyone that asks you about you and your business. I hope these tips will be able to help you take your idea or your business to the next level. If you'd like to learn more tips, please visit the Qulli website.